3-point reverse, and other creative cinematic lighting techniques with ZHIYUN 5-Ray FR100C. A versatile 100-watt stick light that features great portability and outstanding brightness. With the 5-Ray, we bring you some cinematic lighting tips for all videographers, photographers, and vloggers. Let's see the 3-point lighting first. Place the light sources as shown in the animation. Use the 5-Ray, which can be mounted on a tripod with the 1/4-inch screw. Its color rendering index is 96+. Put the backlight at the back of the subject and a little bit left. Use the key light from the right side and front of your talent. Bounce or fill light is perfect from the left of the front. The backlight, the key light, and the bounce. Your lighting setup is ready. Next one is the reverse lighting. Place the light sources as shown in the animation. Don't worry if the portable 5-Ray's built-in battery is exhausted. It can be charged and used with USB-C or with its power adapter too. Place the backlight backwards on the right side of your talent. Use the key light from the right side and the back of the subject. Excellent if you use the bounce or fill light from the right side of the front. Don't forget the practical lights, which give more depth to your scene. The backlight, the key light, the bounce, and the practicals. You are ready. Let's start the shooting. You don't have to worry about shooting outdoors anymore. The sunlight is a perfect light source. Must be used. See the animation. Put a diffuser between the sun and your actor to reduce the harshness of the sunlight. To get the soft key light, use a negative fill from the right side to give back the contrast of the image. Turn on the 5-Ray and reach its max mode, the 100-watt high power with a single press to peak the brightness in a second. Now this is a good strong fill light from the left side. Sunlight as key light, negative fill, and the 5-Ray as fill light. You finished the lighting setup. And one more thing, the sparkle in eye is a key element to achieve the cinematic look. Backlight and silhouette. You need to have only one light source for this shot. The 5-Ray is perfect. Its CCT mode is for cinematic coloring. You can change its color temperature between 2700K to 6200K. Use the max mode for 100-watt power. Put the backlight behind the actor. For the more cinematic look, use a hazer or a smoke machine. Just a backlight. Lighting with two different colors. Red, blue, green, orange, yellow. Use what you want. The RGB mode of the 5-Ray lets you choose from every color. Turn on the device and select the HSI mode with one press. Select your favorite colors. Use the two light sources from the side of your talent. Background lighting for vloggers. But not just for vloggers. place the light sources as shown in the animation. Use 2 different colors to light the background wall. This technique gives a cool, professional look behind the vlogger. Use a key light from the right side and a fill light from the left side. Background lights, key light, and the bounce or fill light will make your video more professional. Light painting is great fun. You can make unique looking pictures with a long exposure and some color light sources. Put the camera on a stable position. Set up the long exposure. Use the variable color 5-ray lights in front of the camera. Move as long as the camera exposes. Just use your imagination. Shine bright, shine brilliantly for your creation with 5-ray.